now for the 3D printing video, where we're going to be applying some paint to my 3D printed pony character. So let's switch over to the other camera so you can see. Need to pull the camera back out. Get this. There we go. So we're going to be finishing up the colors on my pony character. Here's what the end result will hopefully look like. And with that, we're going to be using the Amsterdam All Acrylics Ultramarine Violet. Violet, not violent. Although I guess paint could be violent. And then we're going to be mixing it with some white to lighten it up a bit. So there's our splotch of violet paint. And just a little bit of the Amsterdam All Acrylics Zinc White. Get that open and put a little blotch of white on. There we go. Close it on up and let's get our brush. Using the same one I use for everything. Just get it kind of mixed in there. There we go. Now I've taped off some areas where I'm going to be working the most right now. And let's go ahead and hit those with a little bit of paint. Around the back where the tail joins up. Want to make sure I don't get purple where I only want blue. And I'm gonna basically, once I get it, once I know it's on there, I'm gonna kind of, like I'm doing right now, take the mass of paint and smooth it out. But I want to start at the area where the tape is. So I've got a nice start point. grab a little bit more paint. Try to get both legs down to the same point. And I know you're probably thinking, why is he showing us this? Why is he showing us him painting a model? Well, the reason for that is that I showed this model in one of my previous videos and wanted to give everyone who was curious a heads up on how that entire thing is coming along. That the model is being painted, that I haven't forgotten about it. And I thought you guys might be interested in seeing me apply some of the paint. And in case you're wondering if I have any cleanup water for the brush, I've got plenty. Since I'm working with the exact same color, don't really see a point in cleaning the brush up just yet. That could be a problem, but I'm trying to think positively about this and that it's not going to be a problem. I wonder if you all are going to be interested to see more of this model being painted as time allows with the other videos I've got planned for 3D printing stuff. So give me a heads up in the comments on this video, yay or nay. And we will take it from there. I know some of you personally, and I know that I'll be seeing you very shortly, but I know I've got others that watch. Oh, trying to keep my head out of the frame there. Just noticed it. Sorry if that has been a thing here. But back to what I was saying, if you leave a comment on this video telling me yes or no that you want to see more of this kind of 3D printing video, that will help me determine what everyone wants to see. And if you do want to see more of models being painted and the like, I'll try my best to keep my head out of the frame. In those future videos. the new camera stand that I've got the overhead one on is at a slightly different angle, so I've got to get used to it. All right, let's see how much excess we have here. That comes off at least. Maybe a little bit. Yeah, I got more water than I needed apparently, but the brush is now fairly clean, if not wet. Can fix that with a paper towel. Clean brush, and the remaining paint is getting hard, so that means it's used up, and the time for the video is up as well. So I hope you've enjoyed this 3D printing video. And like I said in the video, let me know in the comments whether you want to see more of these things being painted or just them being printed. In fact, let's do it that way. If you want to see more being printed, type in printed. If not, if you want to see them being painted as well, type painted. And that way I'll know that you're actually wanting to see more of it. Until next time, everyone. That's all for this session of Polygonal Art with JoRaSe. If you enjoyed what you saw, how about giving this video a thumbs up? And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss out on future videos from me. In the video description below, you'll find my Patreon link. Feel free to check it out. Now, on to the credits.